Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be mixing this egg chalk with this slime. We're only going to use a little bit, but let's give a big shout out to my fish right here, Bluester. He's a really shy fish, so like when people are moving around and the lights on and stuff, he'll go to the bottom and get scared, but like see how I'm being really still? He goes to the top. And yeah, his name is Bluester. I named him that because he has a highlight of blue when you look at him, kinda. Especially in the sun, but it's really poopy outside today. And this is my other fish's neighbor. Is a beta. His name is Deluxe, because he used to have a lot of colors when I got him. So yeah, but let's move on. So we have this slime, and I've been just thinking what to do in the next video. So yeah. This is a really nice slime. Kind of really hot. I feel like it'll mix really good with this slime, the chalk. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, take a little bit. I think we should start off in the bowl, because I don't know if it's gonna melt or anything, so just take this. If it turns out like really like a chalky texture, then I'm definitely gonna add some more. Put this lid on. Okay, good enough. And so this is the egg. It's like brand new. I just put it in a baggie because I didn't want it in the box. So yeah, I don't know if I'm just gonna like chip it or something. Like, I know that worked. It chipped it a little bit. I need my keys. Okay. Okay, so I'll put some chalk in there. So I think we're gonna start off with that, and then we're gonna put more and more as like the better it turns out. I'm scared what's gonna happen. Because it's like I don't know what it's gonna do. I never tried doing this before. Comment down below what you guys think. I think it's gonna melt. I'm thinking it's gonna melt. It's gonna change the color and the texture. I never tried doing this, and I feel like it's melting it just like a tiny bit so far, because I only added a tiny bit. So nothing really happened to it, I just changed the color. So I'm gonna try to add a little bit more. I'm guessing maybe that'll be good. So, yeah. I'm just gonna put this like this somehow. Because I want you guys to see it. Me putting in the chalk. So let's get the key again. Okay, trying this again. I'm gonna put a lot this time. Okay, it's gonna take a while, but I think that's good enough for now. I mean, look at the egg. Okay. So, I'm just gonna mix that in. Oh, so I got some on the camera. Okay, let's try. Let's hit.